To those of you that are yet to subscribe, you've not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. We would love to watch out for it. So in that my channel, Patreon channel, like those will be able to confirm. I'm going to paste the video. Once you check the channel, right, we are going to see a video that I pasted. That is the trade we actually took for 20 yesterday and today, which is for the 20 and 21. I told you guys there that we will be expecting a drop on NASDAQ 100 at least to a level of 12,064, right? And guess what? The price got to that level. Yes, we actually got to that level. So that is why I'm going to put the video as a proof to confirm. So basically, I wanted to share an update. I wanted to give it to my Patreon subscriber, but I'm just only going to share it with you guys to my YouTubers. So I'm just going to share it, right? So one thing we'll be watching out for the 22, right, is actually a correction will definitely play out. This is only the trade that I'm supposed to share with my Patreon subscriber, but because you are my my subscriber on YouTube, I'm just only going to share it. So one thing we should be expecting is actually a correction, right? If you know something, like you can see that there is a drop, a little bit of a correction literally played out, right? Another drop, then a little bit of a correction. Now when you take a look at this is a drop, and what do you expect next? This is a correction. After this correction, price is going to be moving in another direction. So if in case you would want to get an update from me on this NASDAQ 100, you want me to keep updating you on the move on NASDAQ 100, all you just have to do is check the link in the comment section. I'm going to put a link there. Become one of my Patreon subscribers. Trust me, you are going to get a better setup, especially once I get a better setup on NASDAQ 100. I'm also going to be sharing it. This is not the first time of us taking trade on NASDAQ 100. We see 2 weeks ago, we actually took a trade on NASDAQ 100 on the channel, on the Patreon channel. We actually hit the targets. Same 2 weeks ago, we actually took about two trade. Last week also, we also took another trade on NASDAQ 100, which we actually got to the targets. Yesterday, we also took another trade, and today we got to that target. Right now, we will be expecting a correction, which I'm supposed to share to only my Patreon subscriber, but I'm also going to put it on YouTube, so you guys should be able to at least try and make a little bit of a profit from it, because I know you guys want to earn from it. So if in case you want to know the next move on NASDAQ 100, I'll put a link in the comment section. Become one of my Patreon subscriber. Then once NASDAQ 100 is making another move, another setup is being made, I'm definitely going to give an update. That is, if you become my Patreon subscriber, you'll get the update. Now, to those that want to watch the trade that we actually took, right, I'm going to also put a link to some of the trade that we took. So check the link below. You'll see NASDAQ 100 for February 20 to 21. That is the trade we actually took. We got to the target. If you also check the channel, I'm also going to put the video up, right? You also check it to be able to confirm. So basically, our NASDAQ 100 got to our targets. So today, this is exactly what you'll be watching out on NASDAQ 100, kind of like a little bit of a correction. Then we are very much likely to have a drop, or NASDAQ 100 is very much likely to push up. All those, I'm going to cover the updates. We are going to look at the fundamental aspect of it. What news are we going to be expecting in the US? What type of news is it going to come out? And the technical, everything, all these factors together, I'm going to put it together to be able to know the next movement on NASDAQ 100. So if in case you are interested in getting this update, like I said, check the link in the comment section, subscribe, and if there's anything you don't really understand, you can actually DM me, especially once you are my Patreon subscriber. DM me, tell me what you think, or what I'm going to tell you what I also think. Tell me any trade you are watching out for, and I'm also going to tell you what I think about that trade. So that is what we'll be watching.